This is how this U-shaped air conditioner looks from the outside. I love that it doesn't block the window at all, so you still get natural light and can actually enjoy the view. Another bonus is that it's much quieter because most of the unit sits outside the wall, so a lot of the noise stays outdoors instead of inside the room. This is the 10,000 BTU model, and it's designed to cool spaces up to about 450 square feet. So it's a great option for bedrooms, any living room, apartments, or even a home office. One of the biggest advantages of this design is that you can still open and close your window after the AC is installed, which isn't possible with a traditional window unit. It's nice to be able to let fresh air in when you don't need the air conditioning. The support bracket keeps the unit securely in place, and the U-shaped design also creates a tighter seal around the window, which helps keep hot air, dust, and bugs from getting inside. Overall, I think the U-shaped design is the standout feature. It's quieter, it's more efficient, lets you keep your view. Definitely a great find.